Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Fixmaster. Today, we have a quick and easy tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to mute audio in a video using Filmora, a user-friendly video editing software. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Filmora. Your video should now be visible on the timeline. Step 2. Mute the audio. To mute the audio, simply right-click on the video clip in the timeline. A context menu will appear. From here, choose Mute. Screen Recording. Select Mute. And there you have it. The audio of your video is now muted. You can see the audio was removed in video. Step 3. Using Timeline Muted button. First of all, to begin, now see the left lower bottom and see the Muted button. And then you click Volume. Then the audio was removed. Only on audio voice will be removed. That's it, folks. You've successfully learned how to mute audio in a video using Filmora. It's a straightforward process that can come in handy for a variety of editing needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.